Time now for Futures in Focus. Oil slightly lower after weekly inventory data showed a build of more than 7 million. Actually, let's just have a quick check on that. It showed a big build nonetheless. Joining us from the CME is Alan Knuckman, editor at Agora Financial. Alan, does this take relieve the market just a little bit? We were above our 200-day moving average at the settlement yesterday.
Right. I don't think it changes much. It shows the resiliency. We're seeing a macro market march, and oil's a beneficiary of that. If you look at the stock market, that's been moving straight up, obviously, in 2019, and it got above the halfway point of the high to low back in mid-January. Now, crude oil has finally done that. Crude oil took some time, but the $60 level psychologically is important. It is also the midpoint of that drop from the top. So we've been able to track almost the same path as that we've seen in stocks, and today is a good example of, even with some somewhat bearish news, the market's still holding ground.
And I did actually have to check, even though I said it a few minutes ago, it was a build of more than 7 million barrels. I mean, what's going on with the data, Alan? How is the market getting it so wrong every week?
Well, those are expectations. We all have high expectations or low expectations. It's just a matter of our viewpoint. But I think overall the path of the market is strong. Like I've talked about, it's momentum here. And I think what OPEC has done is pretty impressive, that they've gotten everybody together and they've actually overcompensated and supported the oil market once again. You know, the major worry was obviously the global growth slowing, and it doesn't look like that's going to happen anytime soon. The way that our stock market is coming back, those concerns are less and less every day, and you're seeing the energy markets start to evolve.
And finally, Alan, where does the dollar index go from here? It seems to have diverged a little bit from the commodities complex.
The dollar should not be stronger, but it is. We're not raising rates. It continues to holds its gains for whatever reasons. I'm not so sure why, but I think what's more important is that you're seeing other currencies hold ground as well. You're seeing the pound stay up there, even with all the issues with Brexit and the concerns in the euro currency, holding above its lows. So it'll be the next catalyst, which I don't know what it's going to be, is getting the market some shakeup, but that will be some opportunity for us as traders and investors.